Hi class, this is Mr. Zimmerman, and I'm going to show you how to figure out the value of your car as it depreciates. So we're going to go ahead and look at it, and we're going to remember that our formula is going to be the same, where it's going to be the original amount times the change being repeated. But this time you're going to notice that it's going to be depreciating, as in the value is going to go down. So we're going to go ahead and write a function the same way as we did. It says v of t. I'm guessing v means value, as t is the time in years. And we're going to go ahead and put our starting value as 18,000. And I'm going to automatically change this percent by moving the decimal 2 spots over to the left. And I'm going to get a value 0.075. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. It's going to be 0.075 raised to the t power. And I'm going to go ahead and plug it in for 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years. And you're going to find, just like in 3A, that the population, or scratch that, the amount of money depreciates a ton. The value is going to go down. Actually, a lot more than 0.075. So the workaround is going to be similar. In 3A, for growth, we did 1 plus our rate. Now we're going to go ahead and do 1 minus our rate. So we're going to go ahead and do 1 minus 0.075. And that's going to go ahead and result us in a new rate of 0.9, 5, and 2. We're going to use this instead. And our formula should work more as intended. It is still going to depreciate because it's less than 1, but it's going to actually depreciate at 0.075. Before you were asking it to give you only 7.5% of it every single year. So it shrunk it drastically more. Remember, essentially what I did was 1 minus r. So now I'm going to go ahead and figure out since the year 2020. And I'm going to be careful because I need to put in the input in the amount of time that will be passed. Well, I'm going to do 2020 minus 2015 and get a time value of 5 years. So I'm going to go ahead and put 5 via 5 equals $18,000 times 0.925. And I'm going to raise it to the 5th year. Now, go ahead and compare it to the output values that you were observing before when you had b equal to 0.075, and you'll notice that these numbers are a lot more believable. So, by the end now, you should recognize that b is going to be equal to 1 plus or minus r. I'm going to add when I'm growing, and I'm going to be subtracting when I'm depreciating. That's it for now. Go ahead and find the output of the value of the car in 2020. Ciao.